Hi guys, welcome to another week with Mrs. Williams here at high school art. I love everything I'm seeing. I love the festivity I'm seeing. It is such a good week to be involved in high school art. So this week, as usual, we're going to be sketching every single day, and we do have a sketchbook check at the end of this upcoming week, so make sure to be ready to turn those in. And then this week, our sketches of the day are Monday, it's going to be cubes. Tuesday is guitar. Wednesday is a quote from our Freaky Friday artist. It said, "Good artists copy, but great artists steal." Thursday is bomb, and Friday is Spain. And all of these words have something to do with our Freaky Friday artist, who is Pablo Picasso this week. For those of you who are brand new joining us, this is a simple direction on how to do Freaky Fridays here on the slide. For those of you who've been doing them every week, great job. Keep doing them. Just keep on going, keep on chucking. This week, we are going to be doing two different worksheets. So you have one worksheet and then you're moving straight into another one. So Monday, Tuesday for one, Wednesday, Thursday for another one. And so we have already done part one. That was week 12. I believe. And so go back to week 12 if you haven't done part one already. This is part two and part three of that same project. So if you haven't done part one, I'm sorry, but you're going to be so confused. So anyway, this is part two and part three. So part two, let me go into that. So we start with our part one, and you're going to choose one cup from your part one that you really, really liked. For me, I really liked this gray dinky menorah cup that I chose for my Hanukkah series. And so I decided to continue with that one cup and go into my part two using that one cup idea. Now, once you choose the one cup from part one, so you have a lot of different options, you have to use that same idea for part two. So if I chose my menorah or my candle idea from my Hanukkah part one cups, I must use a menorah for every single cup of part two. So I could do a menorah in candle strands. I could do tiny menorahs everywhere around the cup. I could do a blue and white menorah and use the Starbucks cup to my advantage a little bit more. I could do this blue one where you really just focus on the candles, or I could do my original idea, which was a gray cup menorah. But every single one of these now shares that same idea of not only do they share Hanukkah in common, but they are all menorah cups. And they focus on the front and the back of each cup because you also have to remember there's going to be a Starbucks logo somewhere in your design. We don't want to cover that beautiful mermaid up. We want to use her as part of our design. Now, once you've chosen one that you really like from part two, you get to redraw it as carefully as possible for your part three. And so it'll be the final step of this project, but you get to finally send me your final edition of what your Starbucks cup design would look like. And it is such a fun project. It gets me in the holiday spirit so quickly. All right, guys. So two worksheets and sketchbook checks this week. It's a huge week, but I believe in you. Good luck and go rock it.